For a lot of things in Dropbox Paper, there's keyboard shortcuts. And to know more about keyboard shortcuts, you can actually go over here onto this keyboard icon right over here. And as you hover over, you can see that it says keyboard shortcuts. So let me just click on this, and over here you can see all the keyboard shortcuts which are available for you to use. For example, bold is Control B, as you can see. So let me just go over here and try that out. So I can select this, press Control B right over here, which says bold, as you can see right over here. So Control I is italics, Control I right over here, and Control U is underlined. So according to that, you can see that the changes are happening. Highlight is Control E. So let me just try this, Control E right over here. So that's a highlight over there, as you can see. You can also link for Control K, mention for, like for example, okay, if you want to mention someone, so it says it's at. So let me just go shift at, and over here you can see that I can choose TutorTube 2 right over here, and that's how you mention. So TutorTube second account will be notified, as you can see right over here. So let me just undo that out right over here. You can use hashtag as well, as you can see. So you can use hashtags, you can use date and time right over here. Let me try date and time right over there. So it's / date time right over here, and press enter. Oh, you get the date, today's date right over there. So you can also see that over here you can have just the time. So if I were to go here, type time, and there's the time right over here, the current time, so like that. So there's more option, like you can change, like large header is hash right over here. So large header is hash hello right over there. So I'm just going to go around to hello right over here, hash. Okay, so how do you use this? It's hash and space. Okay, so let me try it. It's hash and space. Okay, so that gives us a header right over here. So hash and space, hash and space gives us a smaller header right over here, smaller header, and so forth. There's numbered list right over here. So I can just type in 1 dot, and there's a numbered list right over there, as you can see. So it's like that. Okay, so that's still in header. So 1 dot. And yeah, there you go. There's the numbered list, as you can see right over here. So there's different options, as you can see right over here, on what we can do with this. And we can really utilize keyboard shortcuts to make sure that our workflow is faster, and you can see them all here in the list. And that is how you can use keyboard shortcuts in Dropbox Paper.